Roger that. Okay. Well, yeah, definitely. Would anybody like to contact him, Mr. Ray, Mr. Mike?
I don't know if I can tune this. Let's see. So this thing supposedly has a 108 megapixel camera.
I saw that they had more rainfall than Seattle, which I think is in the 30 to 40 range, around 50.
It's a Motorola. It has been updating and updating. It does have a crack in the glass. It's really kind of hard to see. But there's a crack in the glass right there. Anyway, 10 meters is open. I have a hard time finding anything on here because I got so much noise from the solar. But it's hot out, and I'm not turning off the solar just so I can have a quiet band.